a bridge which no human used. Each building had 9 floors. Each floor was the breeding place for different types of species. The 9th floor was inhabited by species of GMSs. Here there were wide windows through which one could view beautiful sunshine and could enjoy cool breeze along with the life-threatening stinging please. So let's shift our focus to what's exactly happening in this floor. It was just another day in GMSs where 20% of the people were watching cricket scores, another 20% of the people were watching cricket live, another 20% were trying to find Poonam Pandey in the cricket field. The rest of the 20% who took their job seriously were listening because nothing. When all of this was happening, all managers received an important red alert email notice. Matter serious. Come to 9C002. All managers rushed to 9C002, where our meeting convener, Gabri Gopalaya, Gabri. Welcome to all. Please come. What happened, sir? What happened? What is the issue? Okay. Calm down, easy. Calm down. Gabri Gopalaya was silent for a while, and then he spoke. Do you know? There is a notice. There is a circular which says nobody should carry home food to 10th floor cafeteria. And not just that. Wait, and not just that. Nobody is even supposed to go to 10th floor from this building. Is it? Okay, calm down. I smell a deep conspiracy in this. That is why I have called all of you. We need to know who is the culprit behind this circular. We need to hire someone to solve this case. Who shall we call, sir? Who shall we call? Let me think. Well, a case of this complexity can only be solved by one person. Who is it, sir? Who is it? It's none other than Rajini! Then they decided to call Rajini over phone. Okay, let us call just by to get Rajini's number. Hello, welcome to Just Dial. For any information on Rajini, press 1. For any other information, press 2. Thank you. To directly talk to Rajini, press 010. Kanna, what do you want, I say? Sir, we need your help, sir. We are in great trouble, sir. You are the only one who can solve this case, sir. Please, sir. Okay. Currently, I am at planet Mars, solving a case. But since I can defy any physics law and I can be in 2 places at the same time, I will come out to your place and solve your case also. Don't worry. But what about my fees, I say? Sir, how much do you charge per hour, sir? Kanna, I don't charge per hour. I charge per second, I say. Okay, sir, how much do you charge, sir? I charge 100 rupees, I say. Sir, please, sir. Any bargain, sir? There is no bargain. Now, oru sunna, moododi sunna madri. Okay, sir, please come right away, sir. The very next minute, Rajini arrived. Sweet papak. Hello, sir. Okay. Where is my fees, I say? Where is my fees? Then Gabri thought of a plan. Gabri took out 1 rupee coin from his pocket and gave it to Rajini. Rajini, hey, what is this? What is this? What to bring? Now, ₹1 கொடுத்தா ₹100 கொடுத்த மாதிரி. Okay, no problem. Don't worry. I will arrive tomorrow at your office and solve your case, I say. Thank you. Next day, at the Devyani National Park entrance. Devyani National Park entrance was filled with security guards. They were very strict and duty-minded. Not even a single mosquito could enter without access card. Well, it was another issue that dogs, pigs and buffaloes used to sneak in somehow. Hey, stop us. Where is the ID card, man? Where is the ID card? Sir, hey, sir, where is the ID card, man? Where is the ID card? Sir, मैं एक बात बोलता हूँ आपसे. मेरे पास तो सिर्फ ID कार्ड नहीं है. पीछे जो आ रहा है ना उसके पास गाड़ी ही नहीं है सर. Well, as you could see, the security guards spared no one. Now Rajini enters. Hey, stop, I say. Stop. Rajini got down from the bike and threw away the bike's right. Where is your ID card, man? Where is your ID card? You asked for 1 ID card. I will give you 5 ID cards. Take it, I said. Hey, what is it? Stop. What is this? 5 ID cards, man? Brenda, 5 faces. என்னோட 5 நிமிஷத்தை பார்த்திருக்கேன். எனக்கு இன்னொரு முகம் இருக்கு. 6 முகம். அப்புறம் பார்த்திருக்கேன். நொந்துருவேன். And then Rajini was warmly welcomed by all the GMSS staff at the entrance. Om Shantakaram Mudrijayanam Pasnabam Sureyam Vishwajaram Sudum. Okay, listen everyone. You don't worry. You go back to your work. I will start my investigation right away. Well, Rajini takes a stroll through the campus. He came across lots of people sitting in the central lobby where Somari Fountain Katte was situated. Rajini came across several group of people relaxing. There were 2 female employees where one was cutting vegetables and the other knitting sweater. I never get time at house only, yeah. That's why I chop all the vegetables. Me too, yeah. I'll be so busy at home, no? But I never get time. That's why I'm knitting this sweater for last 2 weeks. I think I'll be able to finish this sweater by next week. This is my latest project deadline, you see. Rajini got frustrated and asked, hey, don't you have any other work? Oh, no, dear. Oh, hey, my manager himself doesn't care. What is your problem? Rajini slowly turned to the other group, where a group of employees were playing cards under bar. What is this, man? You're playing cards in office? That's my office timing. What is this, man? No, sir. Actually, this is part of our team building process. We come here every day, play cards for just 4 to 5 hours, just to get to know each other, sir. Not a team building process. You keep working. And then Rajini saw a couple kuchikuing with each other in the circle. Well, the day was none other than relaxed Ramalingam sitting with his beautiful girlfriend, Anuradha. Was in deep love with Anuradha. He used to call her Anu with a lot of love. So, you don't know how to love your car. Look at romance Ramadhan, how he is loving more Madri inside a fish. say? I will also love it, so. Sorry, darling. Well, Ramalingam had got used to these kicks and punches and verbal abuses and whatnot from annoying Anuradha. This had become a daily update for him. After watching all this, Rajini goes directly to the lift lobby. Devyani National Park had 10 lifts, out of which 2 were out of service, 2 were under maintenance, 2 were stuck between 7th and 8th floors, 3 were dedicated only to carry security staff, and finally with only one only working condition. Rajini saw a huge crowd in front of this working elevator. There was chaos all around and he could not understand what was happening. Just then, a guy wrapped in a towel and carrying a bucket. Sir, what is this, man? Why is this? You are wearing a towel and carrying a bucket in office. What is this, man? Sir, what is that? I am working in 9th floor, sir. I have been waiting for this lift from past 1 week, sir. And this is the time where I take bath in the restroom, sir. Please give me this, sir. Please give me this, sir. Fortunately for Rajini, the lift arrived and the doors opened. But there was a mad rush all of a sudden. Rajini thought of a plan. Hey, Allah. Rajini got into the elevator somehow. Now Rajini inside the elevator all alone. Namaskar. Welcome to Kone Prayana Lift Services. To listen to MS Subbulakshmi music, press 1. To listen to Bollywood music, press 2. To listen to songs sung by your lift operator, press 3. Hey, I don't want to listen to any new song, I say. Take me to the 9th floor. To go to the 9th floor, press 6. What? To go to 9th floor, press 6. What is this, sir? Top up there. I was just kidding, man. To go to the 9th floor, you have to press 9 only, idiot. And then the lift started. The lift stops somewhere between 8th floor and 9th floor. Hey, what is this, I say? Why did it not reach 9th floor? I am sorry. You did not press 9 hard enough. Then Rajini decided to press 9 very hard. Since you have pressed 9 too hard, this lift is going to 11th floor. There is no 11th floor to spelling it out. Lift to Nina, Nana. Are we the lift? Are we the lift? When I say lift will stop at 11th floor, it will stop at 11th floor. Please, madam, please take me to 9th floor. I can't take this anymore. I love doing this to people. Okay, don't cry. I will take you to the 9th floor. Rajini finally reached 9th floor. But the lift door did not open. Now what? Why are you not opening the door, I say? Before we open the door, please rate our services. For worst, press 1. For average, press 2. For best, press 9. Well, Rajini obviously pressed 1 to rate the services first. Thank you for pressing 1. As per your request, we will be taking you to the first floor. And then Rajini reached the first floor. Now since it's lunchtime, this lift will be non-functional. Please use the stairs instead. Hope you had a wonderful journey. Thank you for using Kone Prayana Lift Services. Now you will be kicked out of the lift. And then Rajini falls out of the lift. Since it was already lunchtime, Rajini went to the cafeteria to have lunch. The GMSS cafeteria was of the size of 5 football fields. Exotic animals were being served at different parts of the cafeteria. Lizard sambar. Rajini decided to order the traditional South Indian snack, upma. While he was having his upma, he heard a loud scream. There is a lizard! There is a lizard in the saucer! There is a lizard! Hey! What is your problem, man? There is a Komodo dragon in my uppit, I say. I am eating it. What is your problem? Well, this was none other than our relaxed Ramalingam with his beautiful girlfriend, annoying Anuradha. See, that's why I don't want to come to this cafeteria. You don't listen to me at all. But I love this cafeteria. No, I want to have food here only. No, you are always like this. You don't listen to me at all. And then Rajani stopped. Relaxed, Ramalingam. He looked into his eyes and found a deep agony and sorrow in him. And then Ramalingam slowly walked away. Several thoughts entered Rajani's mind, and then he said to himself, there is something really wrong here, but I am not able to understand what. Okay, let me have a cup of tea and then think. Rajani went to our very famous chaiwala and cafeteria. The chai shop was known as Children's Chaiwala. Excuse me, can I have a cup of tea? The chaiwala was busy playing Snake on his mobile. Rajani asked again, hello, excuse me, I want a cup of tea, I say. Sir, I have to complete 2 more levels in this game. Please wait, sir. Rajani angrily shouted, hey, if you don't give me tea, I will leave the real snake here, I say. Oh, sorry, sir. Please take the tea, sir. Please take the tea, sir. And then Rajani gave 100 rupees to the chaiwala. Well, he was waiting for the change. Hey, where is the change, man? Sorry, ask for the change, sir. Look at the board, sir. Look at the board. Children's chaiwala. So what? We never give children anymore. Oh shit. After being royally humiliated, frustrated, dejected, rejected, Rajani finally ejected himself out of the cafeteria with his cup of tea. He started sipping his tea slowly and then started thinking about the day's events. And then all of a sudden, like the gush of water in the toilet bowl, there was a rush of revelations in his mind. Eureka! Eureka! He shouted. And then he called Gabri Gopalaya. Hello? Hello? I have found the culprit. Assemble everyone at 9C002. I will explain. And then everyone assembled at 9C002. Finally, Gabri Gopalaya asked, Sir, Rajani sir, who is the culprit, sir? Who is the culprit, sir? Wait. Well, the culprit is none other than our relaxed Ramalingam. What? Relaxed Ramalingam? How can it be? Sir, how can this be? Wait, I will explain. Gabri, do you remember when I entered this venue this morning, there were several people relaxing in the central lobby. There I saw relaxed Ramalingam sitting with his girlfriend. I saw a deep love in his eyes for annoying Anuradha. Well, he was ready to do anything for her. Even though she kicked him, punched him, slapped him many times, he could take it all. But there was one thing that he could not take, eating in this cafeteria. His girlfriend loved eating in this cafeteria, but she never allowed him to go to the 10th floor. And whenever Ramalingam saw people coming down from the 10th floor, after a good satisfying meal, he grew more and more jealous. He decided that he won't allow anyone to go to 10th floor from now on. He wanted everyone to suffer the same fate. That is why he sent a circular. He sent a circular. What? But how can he send a circular? He is also the food committee member, I say. What? He is a food committee member. What? We never knew. See, you don't know who are the food committee members at all. Do you know? Gabri Gopalaya with all his anger goes to relax Ramalingam and asks, is it true? Is it true? Yes, sir. I'm sorry, sir. With all this, with all the analysis, dialysis, paralysis, forensic experts, fingerprints, mind reading, face reading, and finally with simple facts, I declare this case as closed. Bravo. And ladies and gentlemen, with this we come to the end of the movie. In order to know what happened to the characters in this movie, well, relaxed Ramalingam, after being caught in his crime, he took up sannyas and went to the Himalayas. Gabri Gopalaya got promoted for his decision to higher journey. And if you are thinking, what happened to annoying Anuradha? Well, Gabri Gopalaya used all his influence to trap her and took her away. And then finally Rajini went in the pursuit of his next action and adventure. Finally, let me introduce the characters. In multiple roles presenting you Shashi. And in multiple roles presenting you Abhay. As relaxed Ramalingam Ajit. As Anand Anuraga Rajesh Nagar. And then as Sampath. And then finally as Rajini. Gautam Anand. And we will Thank you